coronavirus enters our body and how we get affected by it. Okay, so now let us start a video with a short intro. Now let us start. So what happens if the coronavirus enters our body? So when a coronavirus enters our body, first it will enter to our nose, eyes, okay, or ears, okay. Then we say that whenever we go out, we shall not take our hands and touch our nose, eyes, or ears, okay. And also mouth. We have to not touch it because if you will touch, then maybe in your hand there is coronavirus and it can enter your body easily. Okay. Now let us start. So what will happen if a coronavirus enters our body? When a coronavirus enters our body, it first sees the cells. When a coronavirus enters, it will first go to the cell because if it needs to make more copies of it, it needs a cell. Okay? So when it goes to the cell, the spike of the coronavirus enters the spike protein of the cell. Okay? So with the help of this, the cell takes the coronavirus inside. Okay, so what happens then? The coronavirus orders the nucleus. In a cell, in every cell there is a nucleus, in which it is having genetic material. Okay, it is very helpful. Only because of this nucleus, the cell is able to do the things. This nucleus, the genetic material present in this nucleus, gives the information what the cell has to do. Okay, so this coronavirus when enters the cell, it first goes to the nucleus, and then this coronavirus also has the genetic material. Okay, so what this coronavirus says that this genetic material, this nucleus, make the copies of this genetic material. Okay, then what will happen? Slowly and gradually, the nucleus will listen the orders of it, and then it will make the copies of the coronavirus. And then what will happen? Like this single coronavirus which enters our body will make many copies of them. After making many copies, it will happen that the cell will destroy. Okay, the lysosomes present in the cell will destroy. The cell will get destroyed. So what will happen? There are many coronavirus. Now they will go into many other cells, and like this it affects the whole body. Now let us see how a cell has a spike protein. Now the spike protein is very important on the cell. What happens in the cell? If you need to know, the spike protein is very important. Now you cannot just go easily inside a cell because the cell has a protection layer which is known as plasma membrane, or you can also say a cell membrane. Okay, so this has an outer covering. So like in a room, if you need to enter the room, you cannot enter through the walls, but you need to open the door. Like that only, in a cell we have a spike protein on the cell. Okay, on the top of the cell we have a spike protein, to which oxygen, water. Now these are very important, necessary for the energy, which it needs the cell. Okay, that's why oxygen, water are allowed through the spike protein to move in and out. But all elements outside the cell are not allowed to move in and out of the cell. Only some are allowed to move. Okay. So this, like this protein, this coronavirus also has spike proteins. Okay. So that's why the spike proteins, when get attached to the cell thinks that this is a friendly substance. So that's why it takes the coronavirus inside, and then slowly and gradually the whole body will get affected. Okay? So now let us see how can we save ourselves from coronavirus. Now first we will discuss how we will naturally be saved from the coronavirus, and then we will discuss how vaccine works. on the coronavirus. Okay. So now let us know how can we be safe from coronavirus naturally. So what happens that when the coronavirus enters our body, there is a spike protein, right? So what happens that if your immune system is strong, if a person is healthy, then its immune system will always be strong. Now what happens that this immune system will release all the antibodies. Okay. Now if a coronavirus enters the body, okay, when the coronavirus enters the body and when it gets near to the cell, okay, now this time when the immune system gets activated, okay, this time the immune system gets activated. Now if the immune system gets activated once, it will release right amount and at right time. Okay. So what will happen that this will go and it will stuck in the spike proteins of the coronavirus. Okay. Now when it gets attached to the spike proteins of the coronavirus, now the coronavirus cannot enter any cell. Okay. Now because it is blocked. Okay. Because the spike proteins of the coronavirus is been blocked by the antibodies which is released by the, okay. Now this because of this antibodies, this gets blocked, so it cannot go anywhere, it cannot enter any cell. Okay. So what will happen that slowly it will get destroyed there. Okay. So this is the way that we can save ourselves from coronavirus. Now this is the natural way. If your immune system is strong, if we see now the young people have strong immune system. Okay. Now some people who do not have this strong immune system, but they will die because of the COVID-19. Okay. So that's why in adults, in elder people, the immune system is not strong and not capable of fighting with the coronavirus. So that's why we say that the elder people should not go outside. Only young people are allowed it only if it is emergency. Okay. So that's why this is the way how we can save us from coronavirus. Sorry. So now if you like our video, then please like and also share our channel Education Click and also subscribe our channel Education Click. Okay. And if you have any queries and if you like me to make a video of any topic, then please put it in the comment section. I'll make the video for it. So now meet you in the next